Hello students, in previous video we have studied about the graph of tan inverse tan x and some questions based on the graph of tan inverse tan x. Now in this video we are going to understand the graph of cot inverse cot x, or you can say on the property number 1, what is the cot inverse cot x. As we know, tan inverse tan x is x, cos inverse cos x is x within their limit, or within their, you can say, domain. That's why cot inverse cot x equals to x when x belongs to 0 to pi. This is fundamental of cot inverse cot x. Got it? If now I want to say that what is the value of cot inverse cot, you can say 3, then your answer is 3, because 3 lies between this system. If I am saying that what is the value of cot inverse cot pi by 6, then your answer will be pi by 6. It is correct. Okay. Then many questions arises like this: cot inverse cot 2 pi by 3. Your answer is 2 pi by 3. Okay. Cot inverse cot 1, my answer is 1. Cot inverse cot 2, my answer is 2. Cot inverse cot 3.1, my answer is 3.1. Got it? Up to the limit, or you can say up to the 0 to 3.14, our answer is x. Let's some more example. Cot inverse cot pi by 4, your answer is pi by 4. Now what happens if the angle, or you can say x, exceeds from this range, means 0 to pi? Then again we use trigonometry. Okay, or you can say by the trigonometry, or you can say by the help of trigonometry, we can develop the graph of cot inverse cot x, and we can easily check it and memorize the trigonometric factors also, for which cot x remain cot x after substitution, as we studied in sin inverse sin x, cos inverse cos x, and tan inverse tan x. Okay. Now we are going to draw the graph of cot inverse cot x. For that I am doing some basic lines. Let this is the x-axis, and similarly this is little, you can say it is a line of pi, and here in the middle side you can say, check it, is it or not? No. And then I can replace it, okay, here, and if I want to take, then put here also. This is suppose y-axis, a little y-axis. Got it? Now from here a line is drawn like this, and again a line like this, again a line like this, parallel lines you can see, and from here also a line like this, and from here, or you can say from here a line like this, from here line like this. Means I am going to draw some parallel lines. Okay, no problem. This is the graph of, you can say, y equals to cot inverse cot x. How? Because this is, I draw x-axis here, it is x-axis, yes or no? This is 0 point, and this is the point pi. Because cot inverse cot x is x when x belongs to 0 to pi, means within this interval we are going to draw this graph, and this is, as we know, x belongs to 0 to pi, open interval, means there is no pi and no 0, means here is the, or you can say change the color. Yes, here are the round circles on the topmost points and bottommost also, because we don't have pi and we don't have 0 here. That's why. Got it? Because graph should be made within domains, means within a limit of 0 to pi, open interval, the graph is y equals to x line. This is line. And what is the line of this? You can say I am going to make the, what is the AB line? Equation of AB line, a line passing through the point pi comma 0 and having the slope -1 will give y minus y1 equals to m x minus x1, and the line will be y equals to, you can say pi, slope is +1 not -1 because it is the positive slope. Your answer will be x minus pi, means here this is the x minus pi. Similarly, it is x minus 2 pi, and this is the minus pi comma 0 points. For this line, I can write the equation, a line passing through the point minus pi comma 0. The equation of line y minus y1 equals to m is again positive, x minus x1, means this line become pi plus x, pi plus x. Similarly, it is pi plus 2x because it is minus 2 pi point, and similarly it is pi plus 3x, it is the minus 3 pi point. This is the graph of y equals to cot inverse cot x. Now on the basis of the graph of cot inverse cot x, we can solve so many questions. Okay, just like as we know, cot inverse cot x is x for all x belongs to 0 to pi. If somebody asked questions like cot inverse cot 3, then your answer is 3, because 3 lies between 0 to pi. Fundamental is here 0 to pi. If somebody asked cot inverse cot 2, your answer is 2. Cot inverse cot 1, your answer is 1. Similarly, cot inverse cot 5/6, your answer is 5/6. Yes or no? Cot inverse cot 3/4, your answer is 3/4. Up to that, the angle lies between 0 to pi, your answer is x. Now if somebody asks to me that what is the value of cot inverse cot 4, then what is your answer? Because 4 is not lie between the system, means now as we know the graph is here. Now from 0 to pi, your answer is x. From pi to 2 pi, your answer is x minus pi, because as we know cot x minus pi is equals to cot minus times of pi minus x, just like common sense. Okay, it is minus cot pi minus x. In third quadrant, cot theta is negative, means it will become not change, it will become cot x. That's why we can write x minus pi, means in this case our answer will be x minus pi, means 4 minus pi, and up to pi to 2 pi our answer will be, you can say x minus pi, whatever the x. Means suppose somebody asked cot inverse cot 5, our answer will be 5 minus pi. Cot inverse cot 6, our answer will be 6 minus pi. And similarly, if we exceed from 2 pi, then our answer will be x minus 2 pi. Or you can say, if somebody asked cot inverse cot 8, then what is your answer? Your answer will be 8 minus 2 pi. Now I think you can understand it, what I am doing. Yes or no? By the graph, by the observing the graph, if I am here, then I use x minus 2 pi. If I am here, then I will use x minus 3 pi, means between 3 pi to 4 pi. Yes or no? Similarly, on this branch, means we can recall it just like x minus pi or x plus pi types angle. X minus pi and x plus pi means x minus pi, x minus 2 pi, x minus 3 pi, x minus 4 pi, this type of angles. Or you can say x plus pi, x plus 2 pi. For the negative angles, we will use this system. Got it? You check it the graph also once again. For the negative types of angles, and you can see if the number is between pi to 2 pi, then x minus pi, 2 pi to 3 pi, then x minus 2 pi. Is this angle is important, this angle is important. After this, x minus pi. Similarly, before minus pi, here is the pi plus x. Okay, here is the before, here is the after, and you can recall basic things. Okay, suppose before minus 2 pi means angle comes cot inverse cot minus 5. Then what is your answer? Your answer will be x plus 2 pi, because this angle is before minus 2 pi. And now we can solve it. Put the value of x here. My answer is 2 pi minus 5. And if I solve this 2 pi minus 5, means it is 3.14 into 2, 6.28, and minus 5 means 6.28 minus 5.00, it is 1.28. And this answer will lies between 0 to pi. That's why your answer of this is 2 pi minus 5. Means if we have recall or understand this system for the cot inverse cot x, or you can say the graph of cot inverse cot x, then we can easily simplify all the questions of the cot inverse cot x. Okay, if you have strong trigonometry, then it is very easy. There is no need to understand the graph. If you know how to reduce the cot x, then it is easy. And after reducing the cot x, the x lies between 0 to pi. That is your answer. But this is the key fundamental of the graph of cot inverse cot x, or you can say this is the key fundamental of all trigonometric inverse function, sin inverse sin x, cos inverse cos x, etc. Okay, thank you.